you already have the PV-guided charging license for the NRGkick. And now you want to charge your car with solar energy from the photovoltaic system. Then, assuming the sun is shining where you are, you can get started in just a few minutes. We'll explain how the initial setup works right here. To set up the PV function, your NRGkick needs to be connected to the internet and must not be plugged into the vehicle. This is how the latest software is transferred to the flexible wall box. Next, we'll continue in the NRGkick app. Open the NRGkick app and now go to Extended. There you will find the PV-led charging function. Tap on it. Then configure PV-led charging. Tap N. Give it a profile name and click Continue. During device configuration, all devices that are on the network will be automatically found. If devices are not displayed automatically, tap Add Plus, then select the brand and enter the IP address, or enter more information. In the overview, you can double-check your entries and then save or continue. Once you've configured all the devices you want, you can get started. Now, choose the desired PV strategy. Tip: if you have a smart meter, we recommend the setting is surplus. If you don't have a smart meter integrated, then we recommend the strategy 100% sun. And then there's the strategy feed-in limit plus. This strategy is great if you want to counteract a feed-in limitation, because then you can set your feed-in limit and NRGkick utilize the remaining PV energy. And now the charging event can be started with the recommended settings. Now tap on PV-led charging and activate PV-led charging. If you want to further optimize your strategy, for example with minimum charging limits, power limits, delays, phase switching, charging priorities, and much more, then be sure to check out the next videos on that.